Hi there and welcome back. In this video lesson, we will create regular expressions for a character which falls in a particular range. So let's go directly to the board. Now for matching a specific range, we use a hyphen inside the square bracket. For example, suppose we have this square bracket. Okay, so this is the starting and this is the end of square bracket. Now we put a hyphen in between, and here we have to give the starting and here we have to give the end. So what I meant is, suppose we have a string like hi, this is the test string, and I want to match all the characters which falls between E to L. Then what I can do is I can just give E hyphen L, and you will see that everything which is present in between E to L is matched, right? So here you see that H is between E to L, and then we have I, and again this has matched this I, then we have H, then we have E, then I and G. So it will not match any other value apart from this range. Okay, now suppose I want to match all the alphabets which are in a smaller letter. So what I can do is I'll just give here A hyphen Z. So you see that it has matched everything, right? Now if I just give here 1, 2, 3 or percentile or caps, you see that it will not match those. It will only match all the smaller case alphabets, right? Similarly, if I want to match all the uppercase alphabet, I have to give here capital A and capital Z. So if I just have any uppercase, like if you just see, it will match all the uppercase letters. So here it has matched this high, and this TGG, it is in uppercase, so it has matched this as well. You can also match numbers. For example, say I want to match between 3 to 8. So you see that it has matched this 3, right? And it has not matched anything. For example, 1 or 2, it has not matched. Similarly, it has not matched anything in these letters, and it has not matched these symbols. For example, percentile or hat symbol. Now I want to match all the numbers or all the numeric letters which are present in my file. Then what I can do is I can just give here 0 to 9, and you see that it has matched all the numeric letters. So if I just give any numbers, you see that it has matched everything, right? So here you see that it has given 11 matches. So it has matched this one, and then all the numbers here and here and here, and at 10 it has matched this as well. Now suppose I want to match all numbers along with all the small case alphabets. So what I can do is I can simply give here A to Z and then 0 to 9. So you see that it has matched all the small case letters and all the numbers as well. Similarly, if I just want to match all the uppercase letters along with numbers, what I can do is capital A hyphen capital Z. So you see that it will match all the uppercase letters along with numbers, right? So it has matched this HI and then TGG. So these are in capital letters, and it has matched the numbers as well. Say I want to match all the alphabets which are in smaller case letters as well as in uppercase letters. So what I can do is I can simply give A hyphen Z in small case, and then we can give A hyphen Z in capitals, and we can give 0 to 9. So it will match all the letters which are in smaller letter or capital letters along with the numbers. And you see that the other symbols, for example percentile or this hat, is not captured. Now let us take a small exercise. Suppose we have 5 employees who joined in an organization, and we gave a particular employee ID to them. For example, let's say we have employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4 and employee 5. Now what you have to do is you have to write a regular expression to only match employee 1, employee 2 and employee 3. So we have to match till employee 3 and we have to exclude employee 4 and employee 5. So please pause this video and write a regular expression for this. I hope all of you are able to do this. So what I'll do is I'll just give EMP and after that I will just give 1-3. So you see that it has captured employee 1, employee 2 and employee 3 and it has not matched employee 4 and employee 5. Now take another exercise. So let me first delete this, and what I'll do is I'll just delete this pattern as well. And suppose I have some words. For example, I have A and let me just give B, and here I'll just give C. And again here let me just give G and I'll just give H, and here let me give I, and here let me just give X, Y and Z. And let me also give some other random words. For example, now suppose I want to capture these 3 words. Okay, so I have to write a regular expression to match only these 3 words. So let me just put a divider here. So these are all the matching words and these are not matching words. So can you please go ahead and write a regular expression for this? Alright, so it is very simple. You just have to give A to C and then we have to just give G to I, right? And again we have to give X to Z. You can see that it has matched all these 3. So we have AGX, BHY and CIZ which are matching, and these are all the words which are not matching, right? So this is my pattern. Now it is very important to note that we have to give a smaller value at the starting position and the higher value at the end position. So what I meant is you cannot give here like C and then A. Okay, you cannot give like this. So you see that here it gives a pattern error. So you have to always give a smaller value here and a larger value at end. So I'll just change it to C and let me just give A, right? So basically we should know the value of our alphabets or numbers in terms of mathematical index. So what I meant is, suppose we have capital A. So the index of this capital A is 65. Similarly, we have capital B and the index of this is 66. And if you keep on adding 1, you get at end capital Z, and the index for this capital Z is 90. Similarly, if I take the index of small letter A, so if I just give small alphabet A, the index of this A is 97. Similarly, for small letter B, the index is 98. And for small letter Z, the index is 122. Now we will take the index of numbers as well. So if you just take the numbers, 0 is having an index of 48. Similarly, if you just give the index of 1, it is 49. And if I just take the index of 9, it is 57. And this is very important. So you see that the numbers are having lower index, then you have capital letters and all the small letters are having index value which is more. That means if I just come here, let me just delete everything, and if you see, we can write capital A hyphen small a. So this is fine. So it will match all the letters from capital A to capital Z and then small letter a. So you see here, it has matched A, B, C and then small letter a. But you cannot write like small letter a and then capital A. So here you see that it gives a pattern error. Similarly, if you just see, we can write A to small z. That means capture all the capital letters and all the small letters. So you don't have to write separately like capital A to capital Z and small a to small z. So instead of writing like this, we can simply write capital A and then give a hyphen and then small z. So both are same. But you cannot write like small letter a and then capital Z. So this will be wrong. Okay, you see here it gives a pattern error, right? And that is the simple reason I have given this index value. So most of you are aware of this index value, but in case some of you are not aware of this mathematical index value, please note that these numbers are having the lowest index value starting from 48 to 57, followed by uppercase letters, that is from 65 to 90, and then smaller case letters are having index value from 97 to 122. Alright, we have taken a lot of examples in this matching range, and I am sure this video lesson will help you a lot. Thank you and take care.